sense.
Nothing to Nathan here. Juga. Tapi kan. Oh no.
Ay, ganyan ka ng tulang sa'yo.
Ya pasó, que la tembak. Bawa sih.
Ay, bisa ba ngayon?
Oh, mau sih ya. Pagi kamu ke face.
Nang kinakain niya. Kaya hanap na sa sila na yun.
Yeah. Look, this one only has nails. Yeah. She says there's supposed to be 4 of those.
Remember, life's an adventure with new horizons every day. And that, my friends, is a reason to celebrate. So come on! So sing it out and dance along.
재능이 나가서 짜증나요. 거의 많이 뛰고 Es raro este mono, Tiene los tomates con pelones.
Now, unlike most of the cats, they do most of their hunting during the daytime because their poor eyesight makes it hard for them to see. There's another one right here next to this tree as well. Now, cheetahs are the only big cat to purr. Now, it is a kind of faint, soft purr, so if you ever hear a cheetah purring, well, you're probably too close. Now, as we continue on through, up ahead, let's check out the activity of this kopie. What's a kopie? You ask me a question. Well, it's actually a formation of rocks. You can see up here on the left. And it's typically where we can find a pride or a family of... That's right, you just heard, guys. Lions. Now, lions can be hard to find because they spend most of the day being inactive, anywhere from 18 to 20 hours. Whether that's spent sleeping or lying around doing nothing, they're actually not enough to be. It's almost lazy, but it's not the case. Now, of course, the Swahili name for lion is Simba, much like the name of this truck, Simba 1. Now, some more white rhinos off to the right. Some zebras off to the distance. We'll be able to swing around and get a better look at those. Now, right there on that brown channel, take a good look at some buntbok. Now, they're actually extinct in the wild and can only be found bred in captivity on reserves like these. Enjoy that sight. Now, contrary to popular belief, it's actually the female lioness that does most of the hunting. That's right, Mama does all the work. As we continue on through, we'll look off to the left to see a warthog way up there next to that tree. The largest burrowing animal using its razor sharp tusks and its snout feet to dig up those holes. Also reusing the holes of other animals. On the left, of course, is an ostrich, the tallest of the birds, about 7 feet tall. Next to it are ostrich eggs, the largest egg of any bird, eating about 3 pounds. Look at the eggs. Some more white rhinos. And some of those zebras. Now, zebras are really interesting with their stripes. They're pretty unique. Each zebra has its own unique stripe pattern to help identify itself, just like us humans and our fingerprints. Now, of course, you saw the ostrich back there. You're probably able to see that it has wings, but cannot fly, but can still get around pretty quickly by running up to 40 miles an hour. Yeah, so if you're ever trying to outrun an ostrich, well, good luck. As we continue on through, I'm going to take you out to one of the newer areas, also one of my personal favorites. This is the reintroduction section, where we work with animals to help build up their population so that they do not become extinct in the wild. Now lately, addicts taking home here is great because they're on the verge of being threatened, which we definitely don't want to happen to our person. Known for their big old wavy horns that you'll be able to see up here on the left and also the right, they are always on the move looking for food. Now I say this not only because this is interesting, but it's actually quite important. Because they actually have the ability to obtain moisture from the food that they eat, meaning they can go their entire lives without touching or drinking any water. I don't have to worry about drinking water. Go walk around the park all day. Grab yourself a turkey leg and be good to go. How amazing. Well, as we continue on through, I see those trees, I see that leaf, and I see the top of that cliff over there. I know that means one thing. Our journey is coming to an end. I am heartbroken, and I know you guys just fighting back the tears, but have no fear. Just drop y'all off at the next warden station, and then it's just a short 5-mile hike back to Harambe. So, hope you all brought your boots. Now remember, wherever you live, you can help protect animals and their natural habitat. Together, working with scientists, we learn and understand these animals so we know what they need to survive out there in the wild. Predators and poachers alike. But then again, the overall goal of conservation is that there's enough land for us to human and animal to share. All done by something as simple and little as just sitting at home. While making a huge and impactful difference out there in the wild. Well, my friends, the time has come for us to blast off at a top speed of 8 miles an hour. Woo-hoo. You all thought this was a slow-moving ride. Well, my friends, you were wrong. Well, Asante Sana, what is Swahili for thanks for riding Kilimanjaro Safari. I really hope you guys have enjoyed yourselves. And my name's Kyle, and it's been a pleasure driving you all around the last 2 weeks. And I know time flies when you're having fun. A lot's changed out there in Africa, so go check it out. Now, if you guys have enjoyed yourselves here in Africa on the Harambe Wildlife Reserve, well then I highly recommend you check out Pangani Forest Exploration Trail. That is a short walking trail where you get really cool up-close personal animal encounters with really cool animals such as gorillas, tarantulas, naked mole rats, and everyone's personal favorite, Madagascar hissing cockroaches. Oh, what fun! Also, go ahead and check out Rafiki's Planet if you want. So you get to take the train on over to Rafiki's and see some really cool and fun animals such as tamarins. Check out the conservation station where the animal hospital is. Maybe you get to see a procedure being done. Also, there's the affection section over there. If you always wanted to pet a llama, now is your chance. Now, I also highly recommend going over to Camp Mini Mickey and checking out Festival of the Lion King. That is the #1 rated show here on Walt Disney property. They usually run every hour on the half hour. If you love the Lion King, you love animals, singing, dancing, acrobats, well then you are in for a treat. And even if not, well, you're still gonna love it because it's that great. Now, if you're up for thrills and chills, head on over to Asia. Check out Expedition Everest if you like mountain climbing and Yetis. And want to blast back to the past, well, go on over and to Dinosaur and to ride Dinosaur to ride with all of our fun dinosaur friends.
Oh, he's sitting down over there.